Good afternoon, everyone. Now we will see the next part of anti-anginal drug as calcium channel blockers. We know calcium channel blockers used as anti-anginal drug. In this lecture, we will learn chemistry, mechanism of action, and uses of two classes mainly. First class is phenylalkylamine. Example of phenylalkylamine class is verapamil and bepridyl. And second class is benzothiazepines. Example is diltiazem. Calcium channel blockers are used to treat high blood pressure. Calcium channel blockers are used to treat high blood pressures. There are a few different types of calcium channel blockers and each works in slightly different way. Most of these medicine will have names that ends in ipin, ends with ipin. Most of the calcium channel are used to treat hypertension, angina and arrhythmia. See the pictorial representation of calcium channel. See the extracellular and intracellular. Downside is the intracellular, upside is the extracellular. Calcium enter inside the cell after receiving the signal. Calcium channel embedded in a cell membrane. In the body tissues, the concentration of calcium ions outside the cell is normally about 10,000 fold higher than the concentration of inside the cell. Means calcium in extracellular is greater than in intracellular at normal. When these cells receive certain signals, the channel open, letting the calcium rush into the cells. Calcium channel blockers prevent or reduce the opening of the channels and thereby reducing its effect. Several types of calcium channel occurs with number of classes of blockers, but almost of them referentially or exclusively blocks the L type. See, there is different types of voltage gated calcium channel. Into that, it calcium channel blocker particularly blocks the L type voltage gated calcium channels. Voltage dependent calcium channel are responsible for excitation, contraction, coupling of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscle, and for regulating the aldosterone and cortisol secretion in the endocrine cells of the adrenal cortex. Means calcium is responsible for excitation or contraction of cells. In the heart, they are also involved in conduction of pacemaker signals. Now we will see the classification of calcium channel blockers. There are three types of calcium channel blockers. First class one is phenylalkylamine. Example is verapamil. And bepridyl. How to remember verapamil? It includes PA. Class is phenylalkylamine. Phenyl P, alkylamine A. Verapamil. And second example is of phenylalkylamine is bepridyl. Next class 2 is benzothiazepines. Example is diltiazem. Into that, remember azim, that azepines. azepines. Next class is class 3, dihydropyridines. Dihydropyridines. Into that there are three classes: first generation, second generation, and third generation. Example: first generation class is nifedipine. Ipine ends with ipine. Second generation is felodipine, and third generation amlodipine. Now we will see the first class of calcium channel blocker is phenylalkylamine. Phenylalkylamine calcium channel blockers are relatively selective for myocardium, reduces myocardial oxygen demand, and reverses coronary vasospasm, and are often used to treat angina. They have minimal vasodilatory effects compared with dihydropyridine. They have minimal vasodilatory effects compared with dihydropyridines. Dihydropyridine example nifedipine, felodipine, and amlodipine, and therefore causes less reflux tachycardia. Means easy that dihydropyridines, nifedipine, felodipine, and amlodipine causes tachycardia. Now we will see the first drug, verapamil, comes under phenylalkylamine class PA. Now see the structure carefully. Parent chain considered as last in IUPAC name pentane nitrile 5. Now see the pentane nitrile, therefore 5 carbon is there. Pentane nitrile. Now see from starting at second position there is 3,4 dimethoxyphenyl, and at 5 position means here 5 position, at 5 position there is second position. At second position see there is 3,4 dimethoxyphenyl, and remaining is ethyl, and next is methylamino, and remaining is total is 2-propane, 2-vial, remaining is parent chain is pentane nitrile. This is the IUPAC name of verapamil. Now we will see the mechanism of action of verapamil. Into that, verapamil inhibits voltage dependent calcium channel. Verapamil inhibits voltage dependent calcium channel. And verapamil is the phenylalkylamine calcium channel blocking agent. Verapamil inhibits the transmembrane influx of extracellular calcium. Verapamil inhibits the transmembrane influx of extracellular calcium ions into the myocardial and vascular smooth muscle cells, causing dilation of the main coronary and systemic arteries and decreasing myocardial contractility. Means verapamil inhibits entry of calcium into the inside the cell of myocardium, and therefore inhibit excitation of cells. Now we will see the structural activity relationship of verapamil. Verapamil is the synthetic compound possessing structural similarity to papaverine drug. Structural similarity with papaverine drug. It is a chiral compound. Where the dextroisomer is more potent than levoisomer. Dextroisomer is more potent than levoisomer as a calcium channel blockers. Removal of orthomethoxy group gives inactive compound. Removal of orthomethoxy group of verapamil gives inactive compound. See the structure. This orthomethoxy group gives inactive compound. In next point of SAR, the essential structural feature of this class drugs are benzene ring and tertiary amino nitrogen. Benzene ring and tertiary amine nitrogen is essential for anti-anginal, anti-hypertensive activity. See, verapamil is almost completely charged at physiological pH. The isopropyl group present in verapamil ring is not essential for activity. Now, in metabolism of verapamil, it is metabolized in liver. It is metabolized in liver. Drug is metabolized quickly and result has low bioavailability. Low bioavailability means amount of drug concentration in blood. And after metabolism forms several products. The referential metabolic steps involved N-dealkylation followed by O-demethylation and subsequent conjugation of the product before elimination. The metabolites have no significant biological activity. Means verapamil when metabolized, it gives products which has no significant biological activities. Verapamil has elimination half-life of approximately 5 hours. Now, therapeutic uses of verapamil. That verapamil are used as to prevent the chest pain, means angina. It is used as anti-anginal. It also helps to increase your body ability to exercise and decreases to get anginal attacks. It is also used as an anti-hypertensive and anti-arrhythmic. Side effect of verapamil is, the most common side effect of verapamil is constipation. Most common side effect of verapamil is constipation, and other side effects include dizziness, nausea, low blood pressure and headache. Now we will see the next drug of phenylalkylamine class is Bepredil. See the IUPAC name, N-benzyl, then N position, there is 3,2 methyl propoxy, and at second position there is 2-pyridine. At second position there is 2-pyridine and one vial, and remaining is propyl aniline. This total structure and this propane comes with name as propyl aniline. Then mechanism of action of Bepredil, it is long-acting calcium channel blockers that has well characterized anti-anginal properties. This drug produces significant coronary vasodilation. Means Bepredil produces significant coronary vasodilation and moderate peripheral effects. Bepredil hydrochloride is hydrochloride as salt form. Bepredil comes with name with hydrochloride because of it produces salt form which is required for solubility. Therefore, Bepredil combines with hydrochloride. Metabolism. It is rapidly and completely absorbed after oral administration. The time of peak of Bepredil in blood plasma concentration is about 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours. Therapeutic uses of Bepredil and Verapamil. Same. Verapamil and Bepredil is used as hypertension and arterial fibrillation. An adverse effect of same. Bepredil is Verapamil and is constipation, means gastrointestinal disorders, and Bepredil also, see, there is gastrointestinal disorders. Now next class is class 2 benzothiazepines. Class 2 is benzothiazepines. Example is diltiazem. See the structures. At 5, see, basic parent chain is considered acetate. Acetate means this acetate at 5 position dimethyl amino, at 5 position dimethyl amino, and remaining these 2 carbon ethyl, and second position 4-methoxyphenyl, 4-methoxy at second position dimethyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At second position, this position, second position 4-methoxyphenyl, remaining is 4-oxo. At 4, this is a 4 position, this is 5, 4 position 4-oxo, and 2 and 3 position dihydro, 2 and 3 position dihydro, and 1 and 5 1, this 1 and this 5 position. See, there is sulfur, means thia, and nitrogen atom, therefore 1,5 benzothiazepine and 3 vial, and remaining is acetate, means this acetate. Now diltiazem is the benzothiazepine derivative. Diltiazem is the benzothiazepine derivative, means basic ring is benzothiazepine, derivative with antihypertensive and vasodilating properties. Mechanism of action of diltiazem inhibits the influx of extracellular calcium ions across the myocardial and vascular smooth muscle cell membranes during depolarization. Diltiazem inhibits calcium channels, mean therefore influx of extracellular calcium inside the cell is inhibited, therefore shows anti-anginal and antihypertensive effect. Now metabolism. Diltiazem subject has extensive first pass metabolism, which explain its relatively low absolute oral availability. Explain its relatively low oral bioavailability. It undergoes metabolism primarily mediated by diltiazem is primarily mediated by cytochrome type is the cytochrome 3A4. This is the type of cytochrome enzyme. Diltiazem is the reported undergo N deacetylation, N demethylation, and O demethylation, as well as conjugation reaction mediated by the cytochrome 450 enzyme with cytochrome 3A4 type being a primary enzyme responsible for drug metabolism. Now therapeutic uses of diltiazem is it is used as antihypertensive, anti-anginal, means it is used in treatment of angina pectoris, antiarrhythmic. An adverse effect of diltiazem is dizziness, lightheadedness, nausea, vomiting, and constipation. See, this is the references of used in this presentation. Thank you for your attention.